and bam, there's just a ton of highly qualified people. All you want to do is just hire or invite them to your job. It's as simple as that. Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we'll be going over the easiest way to hire a virtual assistant. Before we get into the video, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me. The winner's here. All you have to do to qualify is drop a comment below, tag your Instagram, make sure you're following me, and I'll go ahead and be picking the best comment every single video. Let's get into the video. So as you can see, we're on Upwork right now, and I know I have a lot of tutorials and walkthroughs on how to hire VAs, but I'm going to even show you guys the even more simpler way to find VAs that you need. So the first VA that most people need is order fulfillment. So what you would do is you search up Dropshipping order fulfillment. You could search other things such as Uberlo fulfillment, Shopify fulfillment, order fulfillment VA, and as you can see, there are tons of people that are in this field. You know, Shopify order processing, order fulfillment, dropshipping expert, virtual assistant, order. So there's just tons, and these are people that are directly related to what you need. And then what you want to do is then put down filters. You want to do earned at least over $100, 90% and up, hourly rate $10 and below. And bam, that's the magic filter, and you're looking for people with 100% success rate. So this one's at 90%, I would probably ignore. You want anything that's 100%. Another one, $5 an hour, 8K plus and 100% success rate. 98%, that's a maybe. 100%, you definitely want to go with this. And these 60K plus earn for $9 an hour, that's insanely affordable. That's like amazing. So that's sort of what you're looking for. Let's do the same thing for customer service. Customer service, Shopify. You want to add in keywords such as Shopify dropshipping, so you get people that know the e-commerce and dropshipping industry. Do the same things, filter. Since this one's a bit more saturated and there's more people in customer service, I'm going to do 10K plus, 90% and up, $10 and below. And bam, there's just a ton of highly qualified people. All you want to do is just hire or invite them to your job. It's as simple as that. This is literally the easiest way. In 2 minutes, in this 2-minute video, I could have hired a order fulfillment person and a customer service person. As simple as that. Even if you want something as hard as product research, dropshipping, there's gonna be people who can do these things for you. So you can break down all the things that you do every day, search it up, and you'll be able to find people for that job. Product sourcing, product research, product sourcing, and there's like 5 pages plus, and then you'll apply the filters, and yeah, that's it. That's the easiest way to go ahead and hire a virtual assistant. I know a lot of people make it more complicated than it seems, and this seems like something that you have to do once you hit expert level, but it's not that hard. You want to just literally go on Upwork, hire people, make mistakes, hire bad employees, overpay for employees, have employees, not do a good job, fire, go on to the next one, and it's part of the process. Learn how to hire, learn how to do interviews. You just have to get your foot in the water, and then you will eventually get to a point where you're able to look at applicants, know who's going to be a good fit, who's not going to be a good fit, how to test VAs, how to talk to them, how to train them, and build up systems. And that's sort of where I'm at. But to get here, all you have to do is literally do what I just showed you on this video. Go on Upwork, search up what you need, and start employing. Question of the day. What part of your business do you currently have outsourced? I want to hear. Do you have customer service outsourced, product research, Facebook ads, order fulfillment? I want to know how you use your VAs. Drop down in the comment below. Other than that, don't forget to like the video, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.